How are you doing? I hope you've been enjoying the patterns till now. So today I'm not giving any kind of gyan. It's only going to be a collage that we will create. Today we will create a beautiful collage using these 9 patterns. Are you ready to do that with me? Excited? Here's my post-it. You can, for the spirals, I'll be again taking the thicker pen, and for the other ones I'm going to use 03. So are you ready? Let's get started. So we start with the pebbles. So the first one, not the pebbles, rather, before anything else, we'll take a midpoint. I'm taking a thicker pen. Let's take a midpoint of this page, or rather just join the diagonal ends of your post-it. Join the other diagonal end. So I got my midpoint. I'm going to draw a horizontal line here, a vertical line here, and that gives me 8 sections. Now we will start with our patterns. So let's start with the pebbles. So I'll take this section. You can start anywhere, whichever section you like. So you remember the pebbles? Mindfully, they are like oval shaped. You can make bigger ones if you want. I'm going to make these shapes, and I'm also filling the space in between. Mindfully close each pebble, do not leave it open. So today is a kind of a recap of all the patterns we have created in the last 10 days. It's a very soothing experience to create these pebbles. No stress. I don't have to make them perfect. I just create. I just keep creating them the way I want and keep going. Just be focused on what you're doing and mindfully keep filling the space in between each of the pebbles. I am noticing that my pebbles are getting bigger as I'm progressing. Probably I'm a bit worried that this session might go on a bit longer because we have to complete the post-it with 8 patterns. The point I'm trying to make is you can finish or you can spend 20 minutes a day. It's not a big ask. And if that can give you some kind of relaxation, some solace, some serenity, isn't it a good thing? Just spending 20 minutes a day. Just let your hand roll over the pebbles. Let them go in whichever direction you'd like to. Yeah, I'm done with my pebbles and they look pretty good. So I have one section done with pebbles. Now let us move to our favorite spirals. I'll take the thicker pen for my spirals. I'm taking 08. So the next section I'm going to fill with spirals. two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And here too, I'm going to mindfully ensure that my spiral touches the other one, and whatever blank space remains, I'm going to fill it with black. One, two, one, two. Please excuse my bad throat. I still have a very bad cold. I saw a beautiful pattern. It's there in our comments yesterday using the spirals. Uh, she had used a pink post-it note. They looked like roses. They looked really pretty in the pink post-it. Thank you everyone for sharing your work, for participating. The more you share, it encourages everyone else to share their work as well. So do not hesitate. You're getting an opportunity to share what you've created, your creation. That's a very nice thing. Today, even I can see roses in my spirals. So thank you. I don't remember the name, but thank you very much. I really liked those rose spirals. Yeah. So I'm almost done with my spirals. I hope you're drawing along with me. Do not be in a hurry. It's fine if you're not able to complete it, as I said. You can finish it. Just demarcate each section with which pattern you're going to draw, and you can watch what I'm doing or replay the video again when you plan to create this pattern. But please do share it. I would love to see your work. If it was feasible, I would have created a gallery on LinkedIn and I would have posted all the artwork there, all the participants' work. Yeah, so I'm done with my spirals. I'm a bit shabby with filling the black spaces. I can see some white space here, but that's okay. Now I'll take a thinner pen. Now, next, let's go to droplets. So, my next section is going to be full of drops. And it's a beautiful day today. It's bright and sunny. I can hear the birds chirping outside. We have a big banyan tree just outside my house, and a lot of crows as well. Life is good. Yep. I can see my droplets are much better today. So I'm done with the droplets. Are you done? Shall we go on to the next one then? The gratitude. You remember we had created a heart and then we drew those vertical lines. We'll do a similar thing here, but we won't draw a heart here. I'll make horizontal sections, flowy sections, not straight ones. flowy, a bit flowy. Yeah. And now I'll start converging. I'll create these lines and I'll start converging them. Attitude of gratitude. And I'm feeling very, very happy and a lot of gratitude for all of you. For and there's a very different bird. I can hear it. Okay. So I've reached almost the last layer of my gratitude pattern. No hurry, do it at your own pace. I'm able to do it a bit faster because I do it daily. Once you get into this practice of creating patterns every day for at least 15 minutes, you'll see a better result. Woo! So I'm done with my gratitude pattern. What's the next one? Fish scales. So I'm rotating. I'm going to take the next section and fill it with fish scales. So, so start at the center. I'm taking the thicker one and the scales inside I'll draw with a thinner pen. Oh, and they look nice with a thicker pen. That's what I realized. The other day I had used 03, but giving it a thicker outline gives it a nice look. Very nice. And as I said, you need not be an artist to draw patterns. It's inbuilt. As humans, we tend to follow patterns, we tend to follow habits, consciously or unconsciously. This is a good habit that we are trying to form by drawing patterns for mindfulness and for stress reduction and for emotional expression. So now I'm taking the 03 pen and I'm drawing the scales inside. I'm repeating, maybe I'm just drawing three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two. One, two, three. You can say that in your mind. That helps you remain focused on the pattern without thinking about anything else. Not a care in the world. Me and my meditative patterns. Just 20 minutes a day. Oh wow, this is really turning out well. This, the more happy you are, you'll really enjoy looking at your patterns. I have realized that when I'm very sad, the kind of pattern that comes out is it expresses my feelings. Today, I'm definitely in a very happy mood, and this is really turning out very nice. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. So it gives you a realization about the mood you are in. That's what I'm trying to say. Not that oh, this didn't turn out well, I have to try something else. Accept whatever comes. It is fine. I accepted the droplets. They were not very nice. They were scattered, but that's fine. That's how I was on that day. Today, my mind is much happier. I'm in a better space today. And I'm done with my fish scales. What's the next one? Soothing circles. So, again, I'll take the next section. Today I want to experiment again with my thicker pen. I'm going to create big circles randomly and then I'll fill it with smaller circles. So, um, bigger ones, thicker circles, soothing circles. Yeah. And now I'll fill them with smaller circles, medium and smaller circles. As I said, remember to close each loop. You can fill it with very tiny circles, medium circles, whatever you feel like. But try to make them circular, not like the pebbles. Mindfully close each loop, each circular loop that you create. I think today's collage should be easier because we are just filling 1/8 of the of this little post-it with each of those patterns. So they won't be as boring just in case you do not enjoy circles. It's just a small little section, 1/8 of the section. This is pretty fast. Uh, no hurry. We are not competing with anyone. Draw it at your own pace. I'm also filling the empty space with black wherever feasible. There's going to be a lot of empty spaces here. So if you do not want to fill it with black, fill it with very tiny circles wherever possible. Soothing circles, the most loved shape in the universe. Circles. And today there's a cool breeze blowing through the window. Feels really nice. Okay. I'm almost nearing the completion of this pattern, the soothing circles. And then we have two more to go. Yes. Are you done with yours till now? So next, what are we taking? Triangles. Okay. Not my favorite, but I'll give it my best shot. Just mindfully draw triangles, ensuring you close each side of the triangle, join each of the three sides. Do not leave them open. and try to fit in the other one within the space. It's a longer session than every day, which is okay. We are just creating um, a collage with all that we drew till date. I hope you are enjoying it. The last few triangles, and I'm done with my triangle pattern. Ooh, I'm done with my triangles. And finally, the last one. The last one is actually the first one that we drew, the straight lines. So at all the three edges we start. Let me take a section and draw straight lines. Follow the outer line that you draw. Follow those parallel lines. So I took the other corner now of this section, and now I'll take the third corner, and I'm going to fill this one with straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just holding it because I'm at the edge of the post-it. Yeah, I drew these. Now I'm going to fill each. You can take smaller sections, bigger sections, that's entirely up to you. I know some of them really enjoyed creating these straight line patterns. So just go ahead and enjoy. It's okay if your lines are wonky, that's fine. Just give it a good shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make something here. 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one triangle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then one here. Mindfully ensure that you do not cross over to the other line, but you join each of the points on both the sides. That will be a test of your patience, like how patiently you're able to carry on with your pattern. And if you really give it a good try, you will get better at it, and you will also inculcate a lot of patience. And finally, the last two sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. I think I'll take this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm done with my straight lines pattern as well. So that's our completed collage. I hope you all enjoyed this, making this collage. I'm also going to share a link in case you want to have a one to one discussion with me about taking this practice further, or you want to know more about meditative patterns. You can book a call with me. I will share a link in the comment section so that you can reach out to me and we can talk. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.